Free tutorial will guide you on the Capcut eye contact mobile feature completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
1. Open up Capcut application. Step, click and select or highlight your video clip that you would like to apply the Capcut eye contact feature. Down and scroll to the right. You see the option eye contact next to enhanced voice and video translator. Free Capcut feature, basically it's going to automatically detect and adjust eye direction. Click on the right hand screen and click the check mark. This is a test video clip for tutorial purposes only. Should I say this is the before? This is a test video clip for tutorial purposes only. This is the after. This is a test video clip for tutorial purposes only.